Hello students, welcome to the e-classes. Now my last video we did activity 3. Now activity 4 you have to do on your own. We'll start activity 5. This unit is called exploring symbol, means the name of the lesson is exploring symbol. A symbol is a word, image or object that represents something else, just as sun lion represents, that means it stands for Tagore. And your pen name represents you. Pen name, I told you what is the pen name. Symbols are very common in poetry and stories. Tagore used them often in the line, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habit. I told you this clear stream of reason means the rational thinking that is not lost in the superstitious belief. Here Tagore tells us that reason is a stream. Tagore thinks of the reason as if it is a stream. The stream is a symbol for reason. What is another line where we see that Tagore uses a symbol in this way? Tagore wrote India's national anthem and is very much loved. Now in this poem there are symbols. I have written 4 symbols. Now you can make a list of 10 symbols. 4 I have written, the rest you can write on your own. First one, narrow domestic wall, means the narrow thinking or the superstitious thinking. Second, dreary desert sand, where there is no benefit or gain. Dead habits means the old custom, superstitious custom. Heaven of freedom means a place without any restriction, means you can do anything. Dear children, activity 7 also you have to do on your own. We come to activity 8. I shall read it out. Just as poems have symbols and India has symbols, stories often have symbols too. Now which stories, like Panchtantra stories, where you see the rabbit and the tortoise story, the lion, the king of jungle. So we never see lion talking to rabbit or rabbit talking to tortoise. It just symbolizes the kind of people. So there are many stories which use animal as symbols. Here is another story where we'll find that we see the animal talking. Is that clear, children? Now many stories use animals as symbols. For example, many stories use the lion as a symbol of royalty. Now lion is considered as the king of jungle. So there are many stories regarding the lion too. Different people can give the same symbol for different meaning. For some people, cat symbolize long life, but another people might say black cat symbolize bad luck. We say no, if black cat crosses our way, we say that it is a bad luck. So that is all superstitious belief. So here is another one story where we will read out the animals talking to each other. Now, dear children, we'll start reading this, the fox and the rabbit. Now, fox is considered as a clever animal. Okay, so this is a short story. There was once a very clever fox who loved to bark of his cleverness. Now what is this bark means? Means show off. Okay, he used to show off or he used to boast of his cleverness. One day he said to rabbit, I am so clever, he said, that I know 100 ways to escape enemies. Now how many ways he knows? He knows 100 ways. Okay. What does the rabbit says? Wow! The rabbit said, I have only one, but it works well. Means rabbit knows only one way to escape the enemies, and that always it works. Now the fox said, you should listen to me. I will teach you many, many more. You should know many ways to escape as I do. Just at that moment, the fox and the rabbit heard the cry of a pack of hunters. Now what is the meaning of pack of hunters? Means lot of people, means more than 4 or 5 hunters coming towards them. Immediately the rabbit leaped down the hole and was gone. This hole means it is his house. Leaped means it went inside the hole and he was gone. Means no one can see the rabbit. He called back to the fox. This is my plan. What are you going to do? Means he is asking the fox. The fox thought first of one way, then another. Then he thought of a better way. Then he considered another way. And while he was thinking of all his clever choices, the hunters caught him up and he was soon carried off. Means he was just thinking, he was trying one after the another all his clever thoughts, and meantime the hunters caught the fox and carried off. Carried off means they took him away. Is that clear, children? Now what do you understand by this short story? It is compared to the people. Now some people have only one way to go through a problem and some have 100 ways. And while thinking and thinking and thinking, the time goes and they are stuck up. Is it clear, children?